My LG remote is in great condition. Yet the OK button doesn't work. I've looked up how to fix it and nothing helped. Every other button works besides the OK button. I can't select anything on my smart TV. I don't know if there is anyone who knows how I can fix this, but if you do, it would be appreciated. Note, it's a standard remote, not magic. The number on it says AC 75,375,604, and the TV is a 55-inch smart TV. Thank you in advance.
LG TVs are renowned for their high-quality displays and innovative features, but encountering issues with the remote control can be frustrating for users. One prevalent problem faced by LG TV owners is a malfunctioning remote control. When your LG TV remote stops responding, it can disrupt your viewing experience. However, several troubleshooting steps can often rectify this issue. To fix this issue, you need to follow these 3 steps. How to deregister the magic remote. Press the back and home buttons at the same time for 5 seconds to unpair the magic remote with your TV. Pressing and holding the exit live button will let you cancel and re-register magic remote at once. How to register the magic remote. To use the magic remote, first pair it with your TV, put batteries into magic remote and turn the TV on. Point the magic remote at your TV and press the wheel OK on the remote control. If the TV fails to register the magic remote, try again after turning the TV off and back on. How to use. Shake the magic remote slightly to the right and left or press home button to make the pointer appear on the screen. In some TV models, the pointer will appear when you turn the wheel button if the pointer has not been used for a certain period of time or magic remote is placed on a flat surface, then the pointer will disappear. If the pointer is not responding smoothly, you can reset the pointer by moving it to the edge of the screen. The magic remote depletes batteries faster than a normal due to the additional features. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.